Hello everyone, welcome to Informatica support videos. My name is Indranil Gupta Chaudhary and today I will be telling you about how to change the integration service name associated to the B2B Data Exchange batch workflows. The agenda for the video is I will show you how to do this changes for having an integration service name so that B2B Data Exchange batch workflow can use a different integration service. How to modify the integration service at the admin console level to integrate with B2B Data Exchange. The jar files that are needed in class path to integrate the new IS to DX and the demo of the procedure involved. So to begin with, changing the integration service name associated to DX batch workflows. What are the use cases? So let's say if you wish to use a different integration service for a batch workflow, this can be achieved by the steps that I will be showing you today. Or if you need to have different integration services running different sets of B2B Data Exchange workflows. Please note that one B2B Data Exchange batch workflow can be configured to only one integration service at a time. Now let me show you a demo. Now this is a DX test sample batch workflow that is running on integration service is_dx_962. I will now show you the steps how to change this integration service name. As you can see, there are two integration service names that I have which are associated with this node. So suppose I want to use is_test_utt as the integration service which will be associated with the B2B Data Exchange batch workflow. So to start with, we will go to the Data Exchange console. Under Administrations tab, we have System Properties tab. We need to find out the pwc.integration name. As you can see, pwc.integration.service.name, the value is is_dx_962. Now we need to click on Edit and change it to the desired IS name. So I'm changing the name to is_test_utt. Now I will save this. So now let us integrate the IS with the Data Exchange. In order to do that, we need to go to the Process tab of the integration service and add the jar files into the Java SDK class path. So click on Edit and add the jars that you see under Data Exchange Power Center lib directory of the DX installation. So now the SDK class path has been added. All the jar files can be seen here. The last step that is remaining in this integration is adding the environment variables. The environment variable that needs to be added is the DX server URL with which the DX and the Power Center communicates through RMI port. So that needs to be added here as an environment variable. The value would be the port number along with the host. So click on environment variable, click on new and add the name dx_server_URL, and the value would be RMI:/, the host name of the server, that is or the IP address, port number. The RMI port number can be found from the DX configuration properties, which is under Data Exchange home/conf directory. So now that this has been added, let me save this. Please note one more thing, that if the Power Center and Data Exchange are in the same server, then you can provide the name as localhost in place of the IP address. This will need an integration service restart. So I have restarted it. So now I have added the new integration service name to this batch workflow. Now let me reprocess the same event that was run earlier with a different IS. Now you can see that the same workflow, the batch workflow, has run fine. The session has succeeded with the new integration service name, is_test_UTT. The same thing you can see here as well. Just for confirmation, the folder name is dx_sample_batch. The workflow name is test_simple_batch, and the integration service name it is using at this moment is is_test_UTT. With this, I come to the end of the presentation. Please note that one B2B Data Exchange batch workflow can be configured to only one integration service. So if you need to have different integration services running for different sets of B2B Data Exchange workflows, then yes, you could definitely do it with these steps. References can be found in the KB 156302. We would love to hear from you. Please write us to supportvideos@informatica.com, or you can tweet us using the Twitter handle InfoSupport. Thank you for your time.